Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add clickable links to your YouTube videos. If you're new here, my name is Michael, and without further ado, let's get started. So if you're wondering what clickable links are the links that are usually highlighted in blue in your YouTube description. Not only just in your YouTube description, can also be linked on your channel description. Most familiar thing you'll find with clickable links is HTTPS. Another thing you see with hashtags are usually just hashtags for YouTube. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create some of these clickable links for your YouTube video description. So for example, here's a website I would like to promote. I'm going to show you what happens when I edit this link on YouTube. I'm going to copy this link and I'm going to come to my YouTube video description, and in this section I'm going to paste the link. First of all, I'm going to remove the HTTPS. So click on save to save the changes you've made, and then come back to YouTube and then refresh this page. Here you expect to see a clickable link. The link isn't still clickable. So let's say if you included a www.com in front of it, let's see what happens. I'm going to save this again. Also find out that the link is still not clickable despite still having a www.com. Now what makes a clickable link is the HTTPS function. YouTube only recognizes HTTPS as a functioning website. I'm going to replace this link with the HTTPS link and then save. You're going to see that the link which we initially had that wasn't a clickable link is now a clickable link. If you click on the link, it's going to take you directly to kick.com website. So that's how you can add a clickable link to your YouTube video description. But even after trying this, you still find it difficult to add a clickable link to your YouTube video description. There's still another way for you, which I'm going to show you. The next step is to go to your YouTube studio and then click on settings. Once you've clicked on settings, click on channel, and here you're going to see future eligibility. Click on future eligibility, and in the advanced features, which is number 3, click here, and you want to make sure that this is enabled because you're going to see external link in video description. That's why you want to make sure that this is enabled. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to add a clickable link to your YouTube video description. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did find this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.